Hey everyone, Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, 1968, 442, numbers matching, factory 4-speed car. Onto the other side of the shop to the 2-post so I can get this on the rotisserie, get it all cleaned up and sandblasted and then sealed after that. Finally got one of the front fenders that we ordered 4 months ago, and we're still waiting for a new trunk lid. The other trunk lid is totally rotted out. And, you know, we're still waiting for this upper cowl piece. We are super close to getting the 442 body on the rotisserie. There's some welding I want to do on the back, some welding grinding that I want to attack before these arms bolt onto the floor, because those arms will be in the way of me wanting to weld and grind. So I'm going to hit those spots, and then I'll show you how we bolt it on and spin it. First drop of the 442 on the rotisserie. The Firebird was on this rotisserie last, and I have a feeling that part of the rotisserie was actually on the back side. If you look height wise, that mount, but that's no big deal. That's all fully adjustable front and rear, but it's pretty close on the front. Right there, I mean, you can see right through there. It's pretty close. Lots of fine tuning though to get this to spin nice. We are pretty much ready to lower the hoist and see how things twirl out. Measurement wise, here to here is the same both sides. I think we're super close. Same back here. These distances are all the same, so it should balance like side to side a little bit. I did measure bottom of rocker, front and rear, and it's off like 3/4 of an inch. So once the arms of the hoist are done, out of the way, I'll probably mess with that height a little bit, but let's drop it down and see what happens. Fine tune it now. She's fully on the rotisserie, off the hoist, and I'm done adjusting it. I am at a happy point with it, I guess is what I'm saying. Look at that. Spins easy, one person can do it. I did final adjustment here for the height. So the rockers measure the same front and back to the ground, and it doesn't feel like top heavy or bottom heavy. It started kind of bottom heavy, where it always wanted to kind of go back to leveling itself off. So I just had to raise these front and back evenly, obviously. And oh man, I'm happy at where we are, because I've been wanting to get this on the rotisserie for the last couple days, and I kept finding little things underneath that I wanted to touch up, and you know, other chaos in the shop held me back, but that's how it goes. This is an Auto Twirler, redlinestands.com. I bought this years ago. I don't know if it was 10 years ago or longer. I bought it uncoated. It's more affordable if it's uncoated, and I like to have nice equipment, but the bottom line is the equipment is there to get projects done. So I thought paying for a powder coated piece of equipment that like my next move on this is the body's getting sandblasted, and if I had powder coat on here, I'm not going to tape off the stand, and if it did get hit with the sandblaster and it was powder coated, that would annoy me, and it doesn't matter. So I just used a spray bomb that was laying around, and I just coated it quick. And like I said, it's a piece of equipment. You will never see this assembly taped off with plastic or paper when I'm body working this, priming this, painting this, clearing this. That's I find it time consuming, and I don't think it's necessary to charge the customer for that. It's a piece of equipment. It's going to get used up, and I haven't used it up, I guess, also is what I'm saying, because this thing is awesome. It's got several, like all of these bolts here and here, plus this, lock it all in position. Same here. These bolts lock it in. This bolt goes all the way through to lock it into that position. Same with these. This is the bolt to tighten, depending on how you want this to lay. It's a great piece of equipment. I said when I first got this, I said I always want to have a car on the rotisserie, because it just looks, to me it looks so cool. Like, this is a full restoration now. It's on a rotisserie. Anyways, I'm obviously excited about getting it this far. All it takes is 2 bolts to lock this into whatever position you want. And if it's balanced out right, it don't take much to do that. One person to move a whole car body. That's 1 bolt, and it's already locked. Second one, that's for the safety police. Super easy. That's it. She ain't moving. As the world turns, so does the days at Crash Customs. Got some stuff to clean up out of there. Wait till I sandblast it. Anybody need a sand pit for their kid? So how much sand I'm going to be clearing out of this when we're done. She's locked in, ready for the next step. Sandblasting. Whole thing's going to get sandblasted inside out, top, bottom, all the way around. You know what I mean? Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you more weekly content and more content on the 442. Thanks.